Hi everybody, my name is Emily, founder of Focal Point Bookkeepers, and in this quick video we will be talking about the home office deduction, determining if you qualify, and then walking through a couple of different methods for calculating the potential deduction. So to see if you qualify, there's a few questions you can ask yourself. So the first one is this space used only for your work? So it's not doubling as a guest room or something like that. You're only using it as your home office for your business. Second is, do you use it often? So you're using it on a regular basis for business purposes. And the third is it the main place where you're conducting your business? So where you're seeing your patients either in person or virtually, and then you're doing any of the administrative work that is also required to run your business. So if you would answer yes to those, then you qualify for the deduction. And there's a couple of methods that are outlined by the IRS for calculating what that deduction is. The simplified method is extremely simple. All you need to know is the square footage of your home office, and this calculator will spit out your deduction if you simply put in your square footage here. So one thing to note is that the maximum here is 1,500. So if you have over a 300 square foot office, you would probably benefit from going through the standard method to get a bigger deduction. However, the simplified method is the one real big benefit of this is if you haven't kept track of anything, you don't have copies of your bills or anything like that that the standard method requires, you can still claim the deduction. So know that, and maybe you have to do the simplified method 1 year, and then the next year you can make sure you've got everything to use the standard method. So the standard method, and let me back up a little bit just to explain how the sheet works, which is really just to fill in the green boxes, and then the rest is calculated for you. So simplified method, that's all we put in up here, and in the standard method, we're going to go through all of these items, put in a number so that the deduction is calculated down here. Square footage of your home, so say you live in a 2,000 square foot home and your office is 250. Here, let's make these the same just so we can compare afterwards. Let's say our annual mortgage is 20,000. We have some renter's insurance, property taxes. We did some repairs, our electricity bills, our water bills, and our internet bills. So you can see here that this deduction is quite a bit higher than this deduction here. But this is taking into consideration a lot of items. So it will certainly depend on how much your bills are and what percentage of your home office takes up. But typically your deduction would be greater going the standard method, provided you have all of the documentation to prove that these expenses are real and accurate. And as always, this is an estimate only, so consult with a tax professional to make sure you're crossing all of your T's and dotting your I's. But this should give you a fairly great estimate as to what potential deduction could be for using your home office for business. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and have a great day. Thanks.